Honda 250 Rally. I mean, it is this one. Looks hella cool actually. Oh, that is too much play. Fucking hell. There's so much play in all of these bikes. This is tall as fuck, dude. This throttle is awful. Like this is the absolute most I've had play in any throttle. It's nice. Really just falls over in the turns. Wow, it just countersteers by itself. What kind of tires are on here? Wow, this is... oh wow! I cannot... are you... fine? Well, it's not a speed monster, but did we expect a speed monster? I don't think so. At least I didn't expect it. But god, this just turns for you. It makes every turn right. Yeah, it does everything. But there's next to nothing on the highway in the top gear. I think it's 6. And this is again probably a lot of wind. It was really tall though. I'm 6 foot and I tippy-toed it when I tried to have both. Try to have like both feet in the ground. Yeah. And again, I'm sorry if the audio is just crap. Wow, it just makes the turn for you. It is super freaking easy. But it's no race bike. It is absolutely no race bike whatsoever. I mean, it's got brakes, so that's good. Good to know. Wow, this just... whoop, a little bit too low of a gear there. I mean, it's a fun little bike, isn't it? But it's a 250, so you really have to work with your gears to get it moving. Let's see, can I stand up? Yes sir, I can stand up. I can definitely stand up. I am now standing up. That's cool. Oh wow, it's squishy. So squishy. Flippin' hell. I don't know, this bike just seems to do the corners a lot better. But I guess that's because it's super light and tall. Ah man, this is such a fun day. I get to ride bikes and have fun. Let's see how it deal with the bumps really well. Very good. I don't know, I can picture somebody have this as like a second bike. And yo, what up? And you know, like yeah, just using this to get around like bushes, not to get around bushes, but to go off-road basically. Definitely see a use for it. I mean, I don't have that use for it, but I can definitely see the use for it. Let's see, where does this road go? Oh wait, I've been here, haven't I? This is where I went the first time. Yeah, it is. Isn't it? I'm pretty sure it is. I'm driving. I'm riding. I'm just out here riding. I can kind of feel my left leg is getting kind of hot. I don't know if that is due to the engine or the exhaust. I don't know. Might be the exhaust. Oh, that is one of those three-wheelers, isn't it? That is so weird. Oh yeah, it's definitely hot on my left, like, foot. Probably not gonna be like a wild exhaust note. Oh, that was the R6 that I just took a picture of. It really takes the corner as well. I can't believe this. I mean, it seems like all the adventure style type of bikes really amaze me. Why am I not getting an adventure bike? I don't know. H2SX. Oh. This is a really tall bike. It's got that whistle noise. Whistle, whistle, whistle. Yeah, no, should I say pleasantly surprised?